What's going on, boaters? We're on a fresh new trade, a 2019 Chaparral SSX 257. This boat is really clean. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the back, you have your nice big sun pad, you have your transom audio controls. Coming in, you have your transom walkthrough, but you can lay this down to make it into a full bed. Coming in, your battery switch is going to be very convenient right here. Turn that on and off. You have wraparound seating. You have your co-captain, captain's chair. This boat only has 235 hours on it. Still has a lot of life left in it. It does have a private head on here with a porta potty, a mirror, a window, lots of space in there to keep stuff or even use. You are going to have your bow close-off door, so when you're coming across the lake at night, you can stay nice and warm. And then in the front here, you have your bow filler cushion, which you can keep in or take out. And you also are going to have your bow ladder off the front, also anchor storage up there as well. You're going to want to come check out this boat at MarineMax in Nisswa or visit it on our website at MarineMax.com. Let's get you out on the water this summer.